today I'm going to show you how to use Canva, which is a really awesome tool that lets you make beautiful designs for, well, I used it for Google Classroom last year, but you can use it for Schoology this year. And it is free for teachers to use. So you're just going to type in canva.com/education, and you'll want to sign up here. In the For Teachers Sign Up Now, you'll click that button, and that will allow you to get a professional account for free. So I just clicked Sign Up with Google and then used my fcpsschools.net account. I actually already have an account, so I'm going to go ahead and log in. So go ahead and pause the video and make sure that you sign up for a free teacher account. Once you do sign up for a free teacher account, I'm going to show you two ways to make a picture like this for your Schoology account. So the first way is you could go up here where it says design anything and just click on custom size. Now we want it to be a square because when you're in Schoology, let me show you what it looks like. I'm going to go ahead and go to my course. So I need the picture to show up in the landing page right here, and that's a rectangle. And if you notice, it only shows part of the picture. That's why I put this part in the middle, because I wanted my name and my role to be there. But then when I click on it, in the top left corner, it shows up as a square, and you can see the whole picture. So it's kind of tricky. We need to make our design a square, but we also need to make it viewable as just a rectangle. So the first way that you could do it is you could go to custom size, and you're going to type in 300 by 300 pixels. And you're going to say create new design. And here you just have a blank page, and you can literally do anything that you want. So under templates, they have some things. If you want something simple, you could, for example, do this. Type in your name and your class role. So like if you were a third grade teacher, you would type in third grade. You want it to be something that the students can easily see on their landing page, which is this. So when they're looking at all of these courses, you want them to be able to pick out yours really easily, especially for younger students. You can change the font by just clicking on the words and going up here. There's lots of different fonts you can use. You can change how big it is, the color. But let's say I just want something simple like this. I would just download it. I have to reload the page 1 second. So you would download. Go back to your personal course. Click on the picture. And then you can upload it. And here it is, and because I put the words in the middle, when I go to my landing page, they're going to show up. So that's great if you just want something simple. If you want to get a little bit fancier, this is what I did. So on the home page, you go to search, and you're going to type in Google Classroom and click on Google Classroom header. Now we're not actually making a Google Classroom header. Because if you notice, these are the wrong sizes. They're a rectangle, not a square, so it's going to look funny when you upload it. But you can use these designs and then just change them a little bit. So all of these designs are free to you because you're a teacher, and they're all really pretty. So you can just choose whatever you want. I'm going to go with this one. Yeah, I'm going to go with this one for now. Okay, now we have to change the size before we do anything. So up here at the top, we're going to click resize, and we're going to resize it to our same size, 300 by 300. Copy and resize. Okay, Now see, it changed it around a little bit. So you can just leave it like this and have blank white space if you want. Personally, what I did was I moved it to the bottom. I just thought it looked like a little bit better. And then I moved these words around. And obviously I changed them to be my name. So I said, Miss Kurtz, my role. I want students to know when they're looking at the landing page. I also made these words a little bigger. Let's see. Oh, too big. You kind of have to play around with it a little bit. And we're going to make sure that this is the center of the page. So you could just like leave it like this, have your name and your role, and then once again you would download it and upload it. What I did was I moved my name to the side, and I really wanted to get fancy. So I also went up here and I added in my Bitmoji. So if you type in wave, that usually gives you a nice good one, simple. Thank you. Okay. And then I added my Bitmoji in so that students could see that in the picture too. Okay. And I'm keeping it all centered right here. I'm going to click download. I'm going to go back to my personal course. Click on edit picture. And I'm going to upload it. Okay, so now you can see my picture here. And if I go to my landing page, since I centered the words and my Bitmoji on the screen, you can see it right there too. So I hope that helped. If you decide to use Canva for your Schoology picture.